Hi y'all, I have to give my usual disclaimer. It is summertime in Mississippi, so it's very hot. I cannot turn my air conditioning off or I'd be sweating within like 5 minutes, so you'll just have to bear with me on that. Alright, I am wearing my, it's kind of glitter skull on it. It's a dress that I got in one of my Hot Topic hauls, and I'm getting ready to go to my cancer doctor for a 4-month checkup. I go every 4 months right now, and so normally I'm going when I just get off work and I'm in my scrubs and, you know, it's a really long day. My mother-in-law drives me to my appointments, but I took some time off to have a vacation, and so I am going today as my normal self, not, you know, in my work clothes. So I am getting ready for that, and I wanted to give the Ritual to Fill anti-highlighter thing a try again. I used it once before. I'm not sure yet if which video is going to be up first, this one or that one, but let me tell you, this stuff is not waterproof. And I discovered that if you put it on and then don't put any kind of powder over it, it creases really bad. So my suggestion when you use this is to definitely set it with some powder. So if you want to just use it on its own, if you set it with a like a translucent powder like this, then it kind of stays looking the same, kind of grayish in color. But today what I'm going to do is use it as a base for a black powder and see if it makes that powder more vibrant. And I'm not going to put it under my eyes because, again, it creases really bad. And the other thing that I wanted to share about this product, when you use it as a lipstick, it goes on and feels a lot more like a chapstick, and it wears off really quickly. And so again, I think it would be better used as a base under another makeup. Alright, I'm going to use the matte black out of the Baby Matte Beauty up in the crease area, or if you have hooded eyes like me, above the crease. And a fluffy brush to blend that out. And while I'm still on that eye, I'm going to wet a brush and use, this is the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke Palette, and I'm going to use this sparkly black on my eyelid where the majority of that anti-highlighter product is. And now I need to blend those together so that there's not such a harsh line there. And while I'm still on this eye, there's something I wanted to try. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Draw Breaker. This color Cute matches my nails, and so I want to do some of it in the inner corner and under my eye and see what that looks like. Okay. Yeah, pulling makeup under my eye like that is probably not something that I should still be doing at my age, because it has a tendency to settle into all the fine lines there. But yeah, I'm not going to put eyeliner on because it would just disappear in the black, and I'm not going to put fake lashes on because I'm just going to the doctor. I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang mascara, which right now is my favorite mascara, but do not use it if you're getting in the water. I learned that the hard way on my trip to the beach, and I like to never got it from, you know, under my eye where it had smeared. I am going to line my waterline. I'm going to use the July Moondrop from the Ritual to Fill for a highlighter. And I wouldn't normally do blush with a goth look, but I'm going to today. I'm going to the doctor. I want to look kind of normal. And I've already got sort of a neutral lip gloss on, and that's all I'm going to do for that. I need to run a straightener through my hair. But other than, I think I'm going to find some earrings to put on. But other than that, and straightening my hair a little bit, I think that's about all I'm going to do. So I'm just going to wear my cat in the moon earrings and alright, I'm going to have to keep trying. I can't seem to get the earring in this side, so I'm going to keep trying that in a little bit. But yeah, right now, this is the look, except for, of course, still need to fix my hair. But, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.